It's Friday, July 9th, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. Once again, home services dominates the top categories list, claiming the top spot. Legal remains in the second position, while insurance follows closely in third. Financial services overtakes personal insurance for the fourth spot, and both personal and financial services trails behind the top three categories. Now it's time for our top offers. NetFly continues to hold the number one spot with its trucking accident calls campaign. Last week, they overtook Addiction Marketing Specialists for the top spot. Addiction Marketing Specialists continue to hold the second position, while Hyper Target Marketing overtakes Aragon Advertising for the third spot with their credit repair campaign. Addiction Calls remains in fifth place. Auto-related offers continue to dominate the top offers list and should be a vertical that every paper caller is looking into. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, be sure to check out the Ringba blog for full details. Now it's time for our top networks. Hyper-target marketing continues to hold the number one spot as LeadSmart follows closely in second place on the top networks list. Aragon Advertising trails behind but holds the third spot. Market Call directly follows in the fourth spot, while eLocal climbs to the fifth position. This week, 5 out of the top 5 pay-per call networks are Ringba customers. Again, we'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data and helping us analyze the latest changes in the pay-per-call industry. Now it's time for our pay-per-call trends. For more market insights, we turn to our industry expert, Nathan Talghani, founder and CEO of TalMarket. What is the number one thing media buyers and publishers need to think about before running pay-per-call campaigns on Google Ads, Nathan?
I've been on the Google ad platform for about 9 years now. There's been a lot of changes. There's been some red flags. There's things you used to be able to advertise on that you can't anymore. So the very biggest thing is not competition, not like how much a keyword costs. I would say it's more policy related. Are you going to invest 3 to 6 months building out a website, spending money on an ad campaign just to get slapped by Google due to an obscure policy saying, hey, we don't want any new advertisers on this vertical, or Google is trying to protect consumers in certain areas? Where we're seeing that a lot at right now is in the finance space. We saw it, many years ago, and the payday loan, you're not able to do that anymore. Credit card is getting tighter and tighter. Credit repair is getting tighter and tighter. We have a client in the credit card space where the slightest ad change, doing like just a very simple ad test, could get the account totally suspended, shut down for weeks. You get a couple of strikes on Google and you're out of there. So I would say the number one thing is to look at the policies. And it's hard to understand Google's policies. So taking that into an account and seeing what other advertisers are in the area, how much real estate is Google allocating on your premium search terms for that area. For example, are you seeing a bunch of shopping ads? Are you seeing Google business ads, or where Google's selling their leads themselves? That's a signal that Google's starting to push away from the standard text ads, your expanded text ads, RSAs, and then they're trying to kind of do this in-house a bit.
Thanks, Nathan. Now it's time for our pay-per-call opportunities. My Health Angel, a performance-based marketing company targeting seniors, is looking for publishers generating true inbound calls in Medicare insurance and final expense. They'll also take Medicare insurance leads. If you're interested, please reach out to your representative or send an email to sales@ringba.com for further details. Elite Calls is seeking seasoned search publishers for internal pay-per-call campaigns. Their verticals include inbound calls for Medicare, health insurance, and moving inbounds. If you're interested, please reach out to your Ringba representative or send an email to sales@ringba.com for more details. Now it's time for our pay-per-call careers. Ringba is looking for more salespeople to join our amazing team. There's no industry experience or college degree required, just a positive attitude, a desire to learn, and a willingness to put clients first at all times. Our salespeople can make unlimited commissions, travel around the world, and have the freedom to work from anywhere they want. If you're interested, email sales@ringba.com to learn more. Now it's time for our news and announcements. Affiliate Summit East is upon us, and if you're heading to New York for Affiliate Summit, the Ringba team would love to meet you. We'll be there July 19th through the 20th, and you can find us in the meat market at table 2000 right by the entrance. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Paper Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. If you're a Ringba customer and would like to be featured on the show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading paper call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of paper call, visit www.ringba.com.